In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Rockstar Games launcher error code 7002.1 with GTA 5. Let's begin. Understanding error code 7002.1 is essential. It usually points to troubles when trying to launch Grand Theft Auto 5 using the Rockstar Games launcher. These issues often stem from glitches with the launcher itself, corrupted game files, or even your system settings. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this error smoothly. First things first, let's ensure you have a stable internet connection. The Rockstar Games launcher needs to verify your game copy online, which requires a good connection. So, if possible, restart your router, maybe switch to a wired connection for added stability. Running a quick speed test can also give you insights into how reliable your connection is. Once you've done this, try relaunching the game to see if it resolves the issue. Next, let's look at your firewall settings. Sometimes, firewall software might mistakenly block the launcher or the game from running correctly. Temporarily disable your firewall, then try launching the game again. If you notice that doing this works, be sure to add exceptions for the Rockstar Games launcher in GTA 5 in your firewall and antivirus settings to prevent future disruptions. Likewise, it might be beneficial to temporarily disable your antivirus software as well, as it could be interfering with the game's launch. Again, if this solves the problem, add those needed exceptions in your antivirus settings. Another potential fix is to flush the DNS cache on your computer. Connectivity hiccups can sometimes be ironed out with this step. On your computer, press the Windows button +R, type in CMD, and press Enter to open the command prompt. Type IP protocol configuration flushed and hit Enter. After completing this, try restarting the game to see if it resolves the error. Verifying your game files is another crucial step. Sometimes errors are caused by corrupted or missing files. To ensure everything is as it should be, open the Rockstar Games launcher, go to Settings, and then to My Installed Games. Click on GTA 5 and select Verify. This process will check and correct any discrepancies across your game files. If you're still facing challenges, it's time to consider your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause unforeseen issues when launching games. Keep them up to date by downloading the latest version from your manufacturer's website, whether that's AMD, Intel, or NVIDIA. If you use NVIDIA like me, the GeForce Experience app makes updating your drivers straightforward. Now, if all else fails, reaching out to Rockstar support is your best bet. Navigate to their support page, sign into your Rockstar account, and describe your issue, specifically mentioning error code 7002.1. Their support team is equipped to help you resolve this problem effectively. By following these steps carefully, you should be well on your way to resolving the Rockstar Games launcher error code 7002.1 and successfully launching GTA 5.